Hello everyone, I am Vaibhav Markad and today's date is 6th November 2021. Today I have discussed string in Java. In Java, string is basically an object that represents sequence of character values and array of characters work same as Java string. For example, character array ch equal to something or a string s equal to new string ch. Java string class provides a lot of methods to perform operations on strings such as compare, concat, equal, split, length, replace, compare to, intern, substring, etc. The Java string, the java.language.string class implements serializable, comparable, and character sequence interfaces. Character sequence interface. The character sequence interface is used to represent the sequence of character, string, string buffer, and string builder classes implement it. It means we can create string in Java by using these three classes: string, string buffer, and a string builder. The Java string is immutable, which means it cannot be changed. Whenever we change any string, a new instance is created. For mutable strings, you can use string buffer and string builder classes. We will discuss immutable string later. Let's first understand what string in Java and how to create string object. What is string in Java? Generally, using generally string is a sequence of character, but in Java string in an object that represents a sequence of character. The java.language.string class is used to create a string object. How to create a string object? There are two ways to create string object. First one is by string literal and second one is by new keyword. First one is string literal. Java string literal is created by using double quotes. Mm, String s equal to double quote welcome. Each time you create a string literal, the JVM checks the string constant pool first. If the string already exists in the pool, a reference to the pooled instance is returned. If the string does not exist in the pool, a new string instance is created and placed in the pool. In only one object will be created. Firstly, JVM will not find any string object with the value double quote welcome in string constant pool. That is why it will create a new object. After that, it will find the string with the value welcome in the pool. It will not create a new object, but will return the reference at the same instance. String objects are stored in a special memory area known as string constant pool. Why Java uses concept of string literal? To make Java more memory efficient, because no new objects are created if it exists already in the string constant pool. Second one is by new keyword. In such case, JVM will create new string object in normal heap memory, and the literal double quote welcome will be placed in the string constant pool. The variable will refer to the objects in heap. Java string example. The Java string class methods. There are many methods. We will discuss some methods here. The java.language.string class provides many useful methods to perform operations on sequence of character values. First one is character. Character at the integer index. Its description is it returns character value for the particular index. Integer length It returns a string length. Static string format. It returns a formatting string. Static string format. Local one string format object. It returns formatted string with given local. String substring integer begin index. It returns substring for given begin index. String substring. It returns substring for given begin index. String substring integer begin index, integer end index. It returns substring for given begin index and end index. Static string join character sequence delimiter. It returns a joined string. Boolean equals object another. It checks the equality of string with the given value. Boolean is empty. It checks if string is empty. Thank you.